Hey guys, OzGrillus here, and today we're going to do a quick video on how to get a Rogue Company drop on PC. Let's do it. Alright guys, first things first about this channel is we do streaming tutorial videos such as how to stream on Streamlabs OBS or OBS. We also do Twitch customization videos and how to stream on Twitch. We also have a podcast called Talking Corner where we go over ways to help grow your stream. Any of that tickles your fancy, please hit that subscribe button. We've got heaps of content out there. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, so we're going to start by going to the Epic Games Store, and then we're going to go up here and go to Account. And then we're going to go to Connections, and we're going to go to Accounts, and then we're going to link our Twitch account and link the account there, authorize it, now Twitch is connected there, so now we're able to get the drops. So now we're going to go to Twitch and we're going to type in Rogue Company and look for someone with drops on and click on them and watch their stream, interact with their stream, and you'll be able to get the beta key for Rogue Company from a drop on Twitch. This will work with other games as well that have drops enabled, and you just have to link your account to their server such as like Steam, Origin, stuff like that. Another thing in your settings, what you can do, you create a dashboard, hit drops, and enable drops. So if this is turned on, your followers will be alerted when they have a chance to earn in-game loot. So that's quite a handy thing to have on. As you can see right now, I have no loot available on my channel, so it wouldn't be able to work for me, but it's good just to have that on just in case. And then once you get the key, go back to your channel, redeem code, and enter the code. Simple as that, and then you'll have the beta for Rogue Company. Unfortunately, drops are not available on consoles and only on PC for this game, so you would have to buy the Founders Pack at this stage to be able to play it on console. Well guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you liked it, I hope it was informational. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so they can get some Rogue Company with you. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we've got plenty of videos out there and plenty more to come. Cheers.